Hello guys, my name is Apurvo. Today we are going to see Taget review and bonuses. So what is Taget? Taget is a world fast AI multi-channel marketing platform that allows you to set up interactive and engaging SMS, phone call, email, story and interactive voicemails campaigns under one central dashboard. So are you confusing, right? So I will show you what is it actually. So you can see here right side that in the page there is a section which is uh, interactive with you. Here you can see that an opt-in page also there, and
And I'm
if you cut
super
it, here
excited
is
to
a
announce the
full-fledged
last Marketing
video
for the
that
Now
you can
free
engage with your
seminar
customers, that you
series
can engage with your
of the year,
any
December 10th
followers,
from
everything.
12 to
Okay,
2
so this
p.m.
is a
to
very
10 p.m.
very so this is the very good software for engaging with your customers. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard here. So this is the dashboard of Taget. Okay, so today we are going to see the actual what is happened with this software and what we have to do with it. Okay, so but before that we are going to see the bonuses that you get with Taget. Okay, so let's see the bonuses first. After that we will go through the review. So bonus number one is get full feature access to Ad Masterly, a brand new collection of 10 marketing apps all in one dashboard with high tech AI automation, which is real world value is $497. And next bonus is get full feature access to Foreign, a premium link blocking platform. Real value is $997. So next bonus is here is a demo of third bonus, and the bonus name is VIP beta access to a soon to be launched influencer profile finder plus Instagram store builder, which is real cost is $297. Next is here is also the demo of bonus number 4, the commercial and reseller license of Vidcrafty. The real world value is $497. Bonus number 5 is lifetime access to our 15 in 1 YouTube marketing suite, which is real value is $197. Next is unlimited resale license to our hot selling FX visual clips platform. Real world value is $697. Here is a once in lifetime opportunity for you to start selling the entire funnel in our hot selling PX visual corpus platform as your own product and keep 100% of the profit. Okay, next is bonus number 7, which is done for you Target agency site. So want to run an agency with the powerful marketing features available to Target for top dollar online. Use our professionally designed done for you agency website to look like an authority to charge more for your service. So you can charge from your customers also. Next is practical backend training on how to create a six-figure income with Taget. So here is a training of Taget, how to use it and how to optimize it. Okay, so the real world value is $497. Next is white label license of our platinum premium white label license of to our premium 3D offline graphics editor. This is selling normally for $297. Next is marketing graphics blowout plus custom super asset pack for Target customers only. The real world value is $197. And these are the bonuses from vendor. Okay, so I'll give you my own bonuses. My customized bonuses is first is ultimate FB traffic poster. Next is email traffic booster, comment traffic generator, social traffic profit. Here is the description of this product. so you can read it out all your own. The description is in the link below. RSS traffic bot. Next is Soci Video Gamer. The next is top benefits of Soci Video Gamer. Here's the benefits of Soci Video Gamer also. Next is vid survey. Get reviews to product service via video survey review. Okay. So next is vid builder, video sales page funnel builder. Next is share blast, vid hack, WP progressive web apps, Instagram feeder, coupon wheel, interactive image builder, tag images on web content, vid survey, WP video bot, FB tube videos, vid looper, FB traffic engine, FB photo box. 32 number bonus is traffic hover. These are the main bonuses, and the other bonus is also is there. So the second 30th 33th bonus is reseller rights to feed agency WP theme, white label license to app spy pro, white label license to AdSense Dragon, white label license to video app mortuary theme plus plugin, web conversion video, rapid lead magnets, commission miner, traffic splitter, website manager software, $1 million copyright secret, newbie traffic system with resell rights. Here is a 9 step-by-step videos training on growing traffic on your niche site, on any kind of niche site. Okay, so next is Mart expert video training, step-by-step 9 video training for catch to mastery on marketing anything through blogging, marketing mini site templates with resell rights, joint venture strategy with resell rights with the complete guide to the joint venture, which is JVs. For this bonus is for JVs who is doing affiliate marketing. Next bonus is affiliate authority with resell rights. They know about world based affiliate platforms and their commission pattern, which step by step video training. My 48 number bonus is Pinterest made easy training guide, which is a training guide for Pinterest marketing and how what to do in Pinterest. Next bonus is YouTube marketing primer. Next is video marketing secret, Instagram stories Q&A templates, beginner guide for Pinterest, dominate social marketing, Facebook business basics, fan page ad secret, SEO video warrior. So all these 56 bonuses is yours if you go through my link, and um, all this premium bonus is yours only. Okay, the real world value of all these bonuses is minimum $66,000. So this is huge, right? So you can go through my page, and these are the bonuses, and this is the sales page of Taget. If you click on these links, I'll show you these links, and you landed here, and you have to click on these buttons for getting these bonuses and Taget. Okay, Taget software. And if you want to know the and if you want to see the demo, here is the demo of Taget. I'll show you the demo is here in my review page. Here is the review, so you can go through it. So who are the benefited with Taget? The local agencies, e-commerce, affiliate marketers, list builders, bloggers, almost everyone who want to build relationship with their customers only. Okay, so I'll show you what you can do with Taget. Okay, this is the two-way phone number. Instantly get an AI phone number assigned to your account, which you can then use to start your live marketing campaigns. Next is capture from pages. Next is capture story widget, voicemail transcription, website phone calls, schemes, call recording, interact flow, engage, engage with SMS, WhatsApp, email, everything. Next is broadcast phone calls, caller identifications, email notifier, insight analytics. Okay, so these are the features of Taget, and this is the actual review of Taget, and I hope you understand. Please go through my link, and here you can see the actual demo of Taget. I have an access, but I don't want to go through it because this is the full-fledged actual review, which is actually doing by the vendor, so you can understand better from his voice. So please go through my link and check out the page. Okay, this is the actual landing page. Thank you guys. I hope you understand the video. I hope you understand the target, what is actually happened with it, and please subscribe to my channel for another review videos. Thank you guys. Bye.